Hello friends, I'm Ram Lakshmanan. I would like to welcome each one of you to this talk, Simulating and Troubleshooting Stack Overflow Error in Kotlin. So friends, in this session, we are going to talk about how we can go about simulating the Stack Overflow error in the Kotlin programming language, and how we can go about troubleshooting this problem, right? That's what we're going to be discussing. So friends, if you see here, for our discussion, we have put together a very simple vanilla Kotlin program. Right? So you can see here, this program has a class called as a Stack Overflow app. And here, this function, main function, is basically the, okay, so here if you see, there is this start function, right? This is the function going to be executed. So when this start function, see what it's doing, it is calling the start function once again, right? There's the start function. The start function is calling itself again. So that means what's going to happen? The start function is going to call start again, and the start is going to keep on calling it again and again and again recursively. So when this happens, then what's going to happen? That means you're going to have this thread stack, right? I think you want to watch our earlier video, which we'll share it in the in our description, right? It talks about how JVM executes your program, right? So it talks about different regions in memory and the thread stack. So if you see, when you do this, your thread stack is going to be constantly keep on added with this start method in stack frame. So your thread stack is going to look something like this. So here, each and every thread in your JVM will have a stack, and it's going to have, say, let's say the first method, what it invokes is start. And next method, what it invokes is also start. Then once again, the next method, what it invokes is also start. So if it's repeatedly, it's going to keep on adding the start method to its thread stack frame. When it goes beyond the thread stack size, the thread stack size is defined by -XSS argument, right? When it goes beyond that limit, then you're going to experience the stack overflow error. Right? So this is what this program will end up doing. It will keep on adding the start method, and then when it goes beyond that thread stack size, then it's going to end up with a stack overflow error, right? So when this happens in the command prompt, you are going to see in the console, you're going to see the stack overflow error printed. Right? It's going to be printed, and then it's going to be visual for you like this. So then you can go about fixing this, right? Any questions or any comments or thoughts on this, how to go about simulating this problem and how to even fix it? Because Stack Overflow is very trivial for us to fix it. It's going to be printed in the console. So in the console, it has the stack trace. So here you can see, this is basically, it has a start method. The next method is also start. So you can see this. So then I can go ahead and fix this line of code to see why it keeps on adding, and then we can resolve it. Any questions or any thoughts or comments?
No, Ram, it is clear.
Okay, good. Thank you. So in case if you have any questions, you can, others who are listening, you can always drop in the note in the chat, right? Or in the comment section, we'll respond back. Thank you, guys.